Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to do a color along session and see what you think. I just like to show you how I turn a drawing that is basic into something a little crazy. I'm using my 100 pack of Cali art markers and a few different kinds of gel pens, mostly the Jelly Roll, but different packages and colors. So those will be linked below. So I'm going to turn this into a colorful armadillo. I'm going to start with a pink, I think. I've got a little piece of paper here I can test them on. I want its body to be the pink. So I'm going to just color him in. Anything that's not shell will be this pink color. When I'm using my markers, I like to set aside any I've used in case I need to go back and use them again or do something different with them. The color that is one of my favorites is this unique green color. I'm going to use that on his face. If they're big enough, I could switch to the other side. These are alcohol-based markers, so they go on very smoothly. I love the colors available in this packet. I recommend this one to everyone. There's so many great markers out there. I just love the Cali art for the price point and because the colors are just so great. And I have both the thick and the thin point, which I love. This guy probably I won't need many. The thin point, but I'm gonna go really dark with this one. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any creative adventures. Because I use an ultra fine Sharpie, I've got kind of a nice thick black line. I don't have to be too careful about the edging, but we don't want to go over the line if we can avoid it. And then I think that color. Nope, not that one. Green is my favorite color. Pink is my second favorite, but green and pink together, I just absolutely love. I think it's because I'm a child of the 80s. Neons were big. You can blend these markers together and do multiple colors in each area. I do that once in a while, but I'm more about adding patterns and texture to my drawings, so I don't do it super often. This is where I start to have a lot of fun. I mean, I love to color. It's just very relaxing to me, but I'm gonna grab some color here and I'm really gonna go crazy on my little armadillo here. I want to do this purpley color. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to use this purple, it's number 90. I think this is the moonlight, so it kind of has this unique texture. So on the arms, I'm just going to add these little lines, almost like scales, because of the way that they are scaled and textured. See on there, but just giving it some texture and detail. Zoom in. Really see. I'm not like closing these up. These are just little squiggles. I chose a color that's complementary, but very dark compared to the color I colored with. Again, because it's metallic, it's kind of hard to see, but It gives them some fun texture and color. No, I actually like that with the green too. So on this darker green, I'm just going to go across and add some little dashed dotted lines. And adding character and texture to my critter. It's like you almost don't even see them, but they totally make a difference in how it looks. It's so interesting. This one is a really dark green. It's another one of those gold green kind of colors. I'm going to add dots into the other stripes that I didn't add the lines into. Kind of keeping them in sets of 3. Now, this is a new kind of segment for me, so I need you guys to tell me if you enjoy seeing how I color my drawings or if you rather just know how to draw them. Because I'd love to do more of these. I love to color. It's so relaxing to me. There is my little armadillo. I'll take a really good up close picture and put it in there too, but he's just so cute. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, let me know so that we can make more of these. See you in the next one.